Very quick counter attack. Space, pass into space as well. He did not pass directly to this player. He wants to advance the play, so he passed it into his space. One of the examples of passing into space. So he saw that beforehand, he saw that his teammate was going to run. This guy, I think it's the Pivo, going to run here in this space. So he passed it to this space without the player actually being here. So I don't know if you understand it correctly, but he passed it in advance to the space. So again, passing into space right here. This guy, Dieguinho, he saw that there's still that the player is not yet here, right? But he passed it immediately. See, he knows that he is going there, so he passed it in advance. So let's watch this play right here. Pass to the side, and then flick to the space. You see how this guy flicked the ball without the player actually being in the space. So he knows that there's going to be a run here. He flick it right there into the space. He found the space, not the player.